commemorating our new special today. We're doing giant candy bar cookies. Yeah! Check these out. They are monsters. These tempting things are modeled after the Levain large cookies. But Cole, did you know those are 6 ounces? And how big did we make these? These are 9-ounce cookies. It's hard to believe, but they are. They're bigger than Cole's face. Let's just see. See? I wasn't even kidding. We put the candy bars right inside, and we can't wait to show you what they look like.
Are you this percentage of people that aren't subscribed? Subscribe.
Let's get into the ingredients. For the giant chocolate chip cookies with Twix and
Milky Way.
Yeah, what do we start with, buddy?
First, we need 1 cup of butter and 2 sticks of butter.
We take it over to the stove and we're melting it. Why do we do that?
So it's melted.
Yeah. We're trying to get it to a browned butter. So we need to actually boil the butter. This will take about 5 minutes. This is all gonna melt away and start to bubble up and foam.
In the meantime, we're gonna mix our dry ingredients.
This is 2½ cups of all-purpose flour. We don't have to sift it in this case. We're doing cookies, babe. 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of coarse sea salt. If you want to see what that looks like, that's the chunky salt that comes like this, and it's so good. Pour that in, bud. You want to give that a whisk for us now?
Sure.
Great. And that's it.
That was easy. Doesn't matter how long we mix the dry ingredients.
Not until we add the wet ingredients to it, remember?
Yeah.
So if you look at the butter right now, it's actually foamy, like I was saying, and it's still trying to melt that whole big piece in the middle there. This is what it looks like when it's foamy. And all you have to do is shake it up a little bit. We're waiting for it to become a little bit of an amber color. Here is what it looks like when it's browned. That's browned butter. We're gonna move it to a bowl that is not hot and just let it sit there until it cools down.
We'll put the dry ingredients aside and start with the wet ingredients.
Whoa, I don't think you need me. Do you know how much quantity is in here?
No.
Okay, does that mean you need me then?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, all right. What are we doing with the wet ingredients?
Mixing them.
Yes! Maybe we should get the butter first. What do you say?
Okay.
We're gonna pour the browned butter in the bowl. Now we put in ½ a cup of all these sugars.
Brown sugar.
Dark brown sugar.
And this one's sand.
Yeah. Sandy sugar and granulated sugar, all ½ a cup. Mix it up good until it is incorporated. Now it's a lot easier once we add these 2 eggs at room temperature and the 2½ teaspoons of vanilla.
These are the dry ingredients. These are the wet ingredients. And mix them to get wet/dry ingredients.
Get that yummy gooey stuff. It looks like honey, sort of.
Honey.
Now we're adding 1 cup of chocolate chips. These are semi-sweet.
My favorite part. This is a finished cookie dough before we put in the candy bars.
Before we actually
Form the cookies.
form the cookies.
We will make chocolate cookies.
Yeah!
For the chocolate,
Start over.
chocolate cookies, we will start with the dry ingredients.
This is 3 cups of all-purpose flour. ½ a cup of cocoa powder.
Cocoa powder. So something I know.
2 teaspoons of baking powder along with a half teaspoon of baking soda. And 1 teaspoon of coarse salt, because we like that. Go, baby, go.
I go whisk it.
Now let's put the dry ingredients aside.
Put the butter in here.
Now we take 2 sticks or 1 cup of cold butter right out of the fridge. And what do we do with this, Cole?
Wait,
Come on, you chop it. Blah, blah. It doesn't really have to be cubes. It could be like, squares.
I got it. I think it's a 1.
Yeah, 1 piece. Here. We just need to beat it a little bit. All right, that's good. Sugar, sugar, da da nee 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 nee.
Let's put the sugar in.
3/4 cups of light brown sugar and
15 quarter cups of regular sugar.
No. 3/4 cups of granulated sugar. There's not enough baking here, only dancing. Scrape down the bowl. Hold this, Holly. 2 whole eggs and 1 egg yolk are going in. And we're gonna add the 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Do you wanna add that in?
You
Slowly,
mean syrup?
carefully.
Here you go. We're adding syrup.
Let's scrape it down, make sure everything is incorporated. We're adding the dry ingredients. Or the brown ingredients, as Cole calls them.
It smells like brownies.
Does it?
Yeah, smell it, guys.
That's 1 cup of dark chocolate chips. And
Yeah,
we need to put these cool Reese's Pieces in there. We're gonna put about 1.5 packages. Do you wanna put the 1 in there, bud?
Sure.
Here, and I'll open that one. The reason why is because we want to save some to place on the top of the cookie, Bella.
No, we mix it up.
Careful, careful. I'll hold the bowl for you. It looks like you're having some trouble.
Nope. Okay, this is ice cream, and this is 9 ounces.
Correct. We are scooping 9 ounces of cookie dough onto there. I tried to do it without the scale because if you don't have a scale, it's going to be hard. It's 2.5 of these scoopers to make 9 ounces. We make it into a little ball like this, or a big ball like this. Okay. And we put it on the paper and we wait until we got all of them done. And then I'll show you what to do, how to stuff it with candy bars. All right, let's weigh the next one. Do you want to try it?
Yeah.
All right, weigh me out 2.5 scoops. Weigh out for me. Ow. Right, it's going to be about 3.7. Can I call it? No. Oh, I'm wrong. All right, 9.0, babe. Okay, push it in. 1. Ooh, right in the middle.
Wait.
Now let's put some more of the candies on top. What are these called?
Candies.
No, Reese's Pieces.
We're putting the Snickers in.
Sometimes you gotta pick it up and form it a little better by just squishing it on the sides there. And until it gets a really nice, pretty shape to it. Now that we're done making the cookies, we just kind of have to separate them a little here. And then we're gonna cover them with saran wrap and put them in the freezer. The reason why we're doing that is because we don't want these cookies to spread a whole lot when we put them in the oven. And if they're nice and chilled, that's how you keep the nice shape. In the freezer it goes. Time to do the chocolate chip cookie dough. Let's see if Mommy gets it right. Let's see if we're 9 ounces, if that's 9 ounces. How about that? Okay,
No,
measure
I
it,
think it's
and
more.
we got 9 point. Oh, 9.0. Okay, your turn. You get to try.
Yay.
Oh, I need a little more. Here's the Milky Way. Squish it down. Fit that in there. Squish the chunk onto it. Okay, there's one. We already froze these ahead of time, so they're ready to go in the oven now.
Yeah.
We'll put them at 375 for about 16 to 20 minutes. Mine were 18, but your oven's always going to be different than ours, huh, Cole?
Yeah.
Whoa! Nice and golden brown around the edges. I cannot wait to break into these, but we do have to let them cool. They're going to cool 10 minutes on the pan, and then we're going to put them on a cookie rack, okay?
Okay.
Here's the chocolate ones. Woo!
Woo.
I love the shape of these. They are humongous. This is the cool part, actually. What you're gonna do is just push some extra chocolate chips all around your cookies. And I'm gonna put extra, these ones inside. Yeah, you just had to push them just a little bit in there. While it's still hot, it will cool down with these in it. And it's okay for all the crevices and everything. It actually looks really, really cool, so. Here goes the sea salt. That extra little sea salt just goes a long way. Okay, one for Daddy, okay? Which one do you want for him?
That one.
That one? Okay. Sea salt for Daddy. High five, dude! Yeah! Look at these awesome cookies. I cannot wait to bite into these.
Me too.
We're gonna cut this one in half. Are you ready?
Yep.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Which candy bar do we have in there?
It's the Twix.
I think it's a, yeah,
Right
you're
here.
right. It's 2 Twix. Does that look yummy though? Oh my gosh, amazing. All right, now we cut into the second cookie. Let's hope this one is
Seeable.
Reese's. Oh my gosh, please be Reese's. Oh, oh my gosh, look at that, Coley.
See it.
Oh, wow. Amazing. Check it out. Ooh. Can't wait to try that one. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh. Grab your piece. Ooh. Cheers.
Cheers.
Mmm. Okay, real good. So good. The peanut butter is so creamy. The outside of the cookie is crunchy, and the inside is just a little gooey. It's perfect. How's yours?
Amazing.
I'm glad you like it, buddy. Thanks for sharing this with me.
Thank you.
Love you.
Love you.
Thank you, Glamour and Sugarees, for hanging out with us today.
Thank you very much.
We had an awesome time, huh? If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the thumbs up to like our video. And don't forget to share our cookies.
And share the video with your family and friends.
Thank you. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Wait. Hey, you cheater. I'm gonna
What are you gonna do?
get you.